Yes. I'm sharing my screen. Is my screen visible? Please confirm once. Yes, is my screen visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, fine. Now we are going to discuss about introduction. So it is a theory part. I hope we already discussed some of the introduction part and we'll discuss pending things from the introduction. So you can see why ServiceNow? Why ServiceNow? ServiceNow is a integrated cloud solution which combines all these services into a single system of record. Okay. ServiceNow is an integrated cloud solution which combines all these services in a single system of record. And it will support infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. It will support infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. So basically, like infrastructure as a service means, so if we want to install any application, okay, we need some kind of infrastructure, like we need some server room, like we need some database for that, we need some web server. Okay, all these infrastructure will be provided by ServiceNow only. Platform as a service. Okay, we want to install any application, we have to connect database to the JDBC, and we have to host this particular application by using some web servers like WebLogic or Willfly server, Apache Tomcat. Okay, everything will be taken care by ServiceNow. So here PaaS as supporting and software as a service. We are just using our ServiceNow instance as a URL. If we enter any URL within our browser, we are able to use this ServiceNow instance. So actually, this ServiceNow instance should be hosted somewhere. Okay. Even we don't have about those details as of now, as we are using personal developer instance. Okay. It is maintained by the ServiceNow company. It is maintained by the ServiceNow company. We are just using our ServiceNow instance as a URL. So we are calling it will support software as a service. Okay. Next. So if we go to any interviews, okay, like what I observed that, so if we are explaining, fine. If we are explaining properly, okay, whatever they are asking, if we are explaining properly, then they will not ask the question, what is service? So if we are not answering properly, they will try to check whether at least this candidate know what is ServiceNow. At that time, they will ask this question, what is ServiceNow? ServiceNow is an IT management platform that allows organizations to manage all aspects of their IT infrastructure, including asset management, IT service management of IT assets and devices. It also specializes in ITSM, ITOM, ITBM. Okay, this is the ServiceNow definition. ServiceNow is an IT management platform that allows organizations to manage all aspects of their IT infrastructure, including asset management, IT service management of IT assets and devices. It also specializes in ITSM, ITOM, and ITBM. Okay, this is the ServiceNow definition. So basically, ServiceNow was founded in 2004 and stepped foot into the ITSM model. As we discussed, I think in yesterday class, okay, it was introduced in 2004, but it came to the market in 2011. Okay. Hmm. And provide the competition to the established players like IBM and HP. So who are the competitors for ServiceNow? Definitely BMC Remedy, IBM, HP, Jira, Salesforce. We can say these all are the competitors for ServiceNow. And who is founder for ServiceNow? ServiceNow founder is Fred Today. ServiceNow founder is Fred Today. Yes, we are using ServiceNow. So basically, ServiceNow was developed with Java technology. ServiceNow was developed with Java technology and with Apache Tomcat server and MySQL database and MySQL database. Even we don't require to keep all this. Okay. MySQL database. Okay. Initially, ServiceNow developed with Java technology, Apache Tomcat web server, and MySQL database. Okay. I hope everybody understand this. Whatever the ServiceNow instance we are using, it is developed with Java technology. Okay. But we are not using any Java within our service now. But like development of this instance, this environment is done by Java technology. Okay. But we are not using any Java within our service now. Yes. And next, what are the modules generally we have in service now? You can see we have ITSM module, we have ITOM module, we have ITBM module, PPM, project portfolio management, ITAM, information technology, asset management, HRSD, human resource service delivery, GRC, governance and risk, performance analytics, CSM, customer support management, security operations, FSM, field service management, marketing and sales, software asset management, hardware asset management. Next, APM. In recent days, I have heard about APM. Application portfolio management.
Angie,
Yeah, yeah, tell me.
so I thought the SAM and HAM are under IT asset management.
Yeah, ITAM, it comes under this ITAM, okay?
Okay.
Okay, but we have different courses in now learning for SAM and HAM, okay? It is comes under ITAM and it has different courses, different certification for SAM and different certification for HAM. That's what
Wow.
I have mentioned separately again, okay?
Okay.
Yes, IPM, application portfolio management. Hmm. Yes, I hope these are the modules, these are the mostly used modules in the service now. And we have many more modules. We have many more modules, okay? So like most important module is ITSM, okay? Now within our sessions, we are going to learn about ITSM module. After ITSM, the most important one is CSM, okay? Then after GRC, HRST, and ITY. These are the main modules we are going to use in the real time. And you don't require to learn all the modules at a time. And once you get opportunity to work with any of these modules in your organization, they will provide you the KT and you will start working on those modules. Okay. Any queries from these modules? Maybe in interviews, they will ask, what are the models in service now? You have to tell all these. At least 5 models from here, you have to tell. Okay. Next. So here are some useful links. If you have any queries, okay. Maybe you want to post some question. We have community. Okay. If you want to post some question, you have community. And within the community, you may get answer for your query. In community, you may get some answer for your query. Developer portal. So we have login right for creating ServiceNow instance. So if you want to see any theory for concept wise, developer portal will be available. Next, docs.servicenow.com. In our classes, mostly we will use docs.servicenow.com information. Okay. And here it will provide the concept wise definitions, processes, functionality, everything will be there in this product documentation. Okay. And next, ServiceNow app showcases. If you want to see about the spokes or applications, you have to visit this ServiceNow app showcase. Okay. And ServiceNow product lab. If you want to see any use cases, any examples, here we'll able to find. Maybe once I will open. Long back, I have opened this. So maybe I'm opening here the Servicenow product lab. Yes. If you sign in here and you are able to navigate to each concept wise examples, okay? Maybe I'm going to sign in. Servicenow sign 2908@teleconsumer.com. Sign in. Okay. For product lab also, maybe we have to sign up, okay? My account. You can go to my account. Sign up. Here you can see we have sign up. Product lab sign up. We have to register. How you have to register to our ServiceNow developer portal. Like that, we have to register here, okay? Maybe you can try in your free time. We don't require this now. And App Store. You are able to find ServiceNow spokes here, okay? And next, these all are ServiceNow official websites. These all are ServiceNow official websites, okay? These all are ServiceNow official websites. Next, you can see. So basically, we have one website, Meetups. This is not related to ServiceNow website, okay? We have Meetups. If you go to the Meetups, in the Meetups, we will find ServiceNow Dev Programming or ServiceNow Meetup, or you may find ServiceNow Snag. So generally what happens is ServiceNow conducts meetups for every 3 months or 6 months on each and every city. Like I have attended ServiceNow meetups in Hyderabad multiple times. Okay, I know that many of my friends attended ServiceNow meetups in their locations. Okay, like Noida, Gurgaon, even India, in other countries also it will be happens. So basically in that meetups, we will discuss about latest release features, and if you have any queries, they will explain to us, and they will also provide us some use cases. Okay, so we'll do that within that meetups, and it's kind of get together. All ServiceNow developers get together at one place. Okay, it may happen every once in a 3 months, or once in a half yearly, once in a year, like that, based upon the situation. Okay, and next. So if you want to learn, maybe I don't want to keep this. This is not ServiceNow authorized websites, I feel. I may remove this URL because this is not ServiceNow authorized. Okay. Next, if you want to learn ServiceNow, learning portals, if you want to learn ServiceNow, okay. So we have now learning portal. So basically in the now learning portal, so if you joined in any organization, okay, if you joined in any organization, so if your organization is partner to the ServiceNow, if your organization having the partnership with ServiceNow, then you are able to complete all the courses free. Okay, and you are able to get voucher for certification exam. Okay, so basically if you want to write a certification exam, you need voucher. So how voucher is going to generate? If you complete course in this now learning, you are going to get a voucher. Based upon that voucher, you are going to write a certification exam. Okay, and this is old website, we don't require. Okay, this is old website. Now we are not using this website. Only now learning we are using. Okay, so for example, we have created developer accounts with our personal mail IDs. Okay, so if we open now learning, if we are logging into the now learning, we have limited access. Okay, we cannot continue with the courses without fee payment. Okay, it will ask for the fee. Like if you joined in some organization and it has some partnership with ServiceNow, then only you will get all the courses by free of cost. Okay, and here I have mentioned some YouTube channels for service. Official, I can, yeah, maybe I can say official ServiceNow YouTube channels. Okay. So ServiceNow support, now support, ServiceNow, now community, ServiceNow dev program. Okay, these are the few YouTube channels for the ServiceNow, learning the ServiceNow. Okay, next. Um, if you go to the any organization, if you go to any domain, it may be Salesforce, Jira, BMC, MuleSoft, whatever it may be. It may be Java, it may be .NET, it may be Python, maybe data science. Everything having some different environments in the organization, like development environment, testing environment, production environment. Okay. So if any requirements come to us, so we will do our requirements in the development environment. Once our work is finished, we will move our work to the testing environments. Then testing people will test our work, and if they certify, so everything is working fine. Then UAT people do the testing. Finally, we will move to the production environment. Okay, we'll do our work in the development environment. Testing will be done for our work within this testing environment. Once testing is good, then we have to move our work to the production environment. Okay, these are the environments. Okay, so how to identify whether that particular ServiceNow instance is development environment or testing environment or production environment? If it is a production environment, there is no keywords like dev or test. Okay, company name dot service-now.com. Okay, if it is a production environment. If it is a testing environment, okay, you can say instance name test.servicenow.com. If it is a development environment, instance name dev.service-now.com, like this. Okay. Maybe I will show you some of real-time ServiceNow developer instances URLs. Okay. We cannot log in. Those are the organizational instances that for your information I'm just showing. For example, which environment we can take? Maybe I'm taking TCS. TCS.service-now.com. Maybe I'm doing /login.do. No, we don't have any like this. TCS one. Like basically some instances will not open outside. Okay, you may know that. Even if it is there, it will not open. So TCS is not opening. Maybe I will try with pro dev dot service dot com /login dot I'm entering it. No, it is not security showing. IBM dot CRVIC service-now.com. Yes, we are able to log in into the IBM website. Okay, it's not kind of login. We are just able to open IBM instance. Okay, maybe I will open with login.do /login.do. Enter. You can see the IBM instance. This is. If we enter the credentials, we can able to log into the IBM production instance. Okay, like that. If we go to the Capgemini, CAPGEMI dot service-now.com. No, it is not available. Maybe Xerox XCROX dot service-now.com. Service-now.com. Enter. Yes, we are able to log in into the Xerox company's environment. We are able to open the Xerox company's instance. Okay, like that. So most of the instances should be like that. Okay, company name dot service-now. These are the environments. Like if you have any queries within the environments, please let me know. Even maybe from these websites or modules or maybe introduction, if you have any queries, please let me know. No queries? Okay. Next. So history of ServiceNow. So history of ServiceNow. So here we have to add Xnado. Insert from left, insert row below. Latest version is Xnadu. Okay, XAN Nadu. And it will be released in this month only. Definitely. Let's see. TTEM. So generally, before releasing latest version officially, that is, for example, Xnode, they will give personal developer instances with that particular latest version, and everybody will do the testings and all the scenarios within this personal developer instance of latest version, and then after only they will release officially. Okay, now Xnado is not released officially. Okay, within this month only Xnado is going to release officially, and Xnado is available for personal developer instance. Even maybe some of the organizations already upgraded, okay, to the Xnode instance. So you can see maybe in interviews they will ask what are the versions in Servicenow. So we have to say A for Aspen, B for Berlin, C for Calgary, D for Dublin, E for Eureka, F for Fuji, G for Geneva, H for Helsinki, I for Istanbul, J for Jakarta, K for Kingston, L for London, M for Madrid, N for New York, O for Orlando, P for Paris, Q for Quebec, R for Rome, S for San Diego, T for Tokyo, U for Utah, V for Vancouver, W for Washington, X for Xnadu. Then other next instances also will come like YZ. Okay, after that we don't know what alphabet they follow. And most of the ServiceNow instance, most of the ServiceNow instance versions names are European country names, okay, popular city names, okay. So these are the different versions in ServiceNow. And if you go to the interviews, they will ask one question, and what are the versions you worked on? You work from ServiceNow. In ServiceNow, what are the versions you worked on? So for example, I'm working in ServiceNow from almost from 2015. Okay. So I know that I work from Eureka instance on. So I work for all these versions. Okay. Like that. So for example, maybe you started working from 2020. Maybe you started working from 2020 in ServiceNow. Okay. You have to say, I have worked from Madrid, like that. Got it? Maybe some of you go with some fake experiences, right? At that time, you have to say like this. If it is you are working from March 2020, then you have to say I work for Madrid, New York, Orlando, Paris, Quebec, Rome, San Diego, Tokyo, Utah, Vancouver, Washington, excellent. Like that you have to say. Okay. So whenever you are started working with ServiceNow, like what are the versions we have in last year before to that year. Okay, you have to tell all these versions you worked on. Okay. This is about different versions in ServiceNow. And few questions I have noted down here. What is ServiceNow? Why we need to use ServiceNow? What are the models in ServiceNow? What are the versions in ServiceNow? What is the current version of ServiceNow instance you are using? What are the versions you worked on from ServiceNow? Okay, these are the questions I have mentioned. Maybe you can go to this document and you can learn about these questions. Okay. Like overall, you have any queries, please let me know. In overall, you have any queries, please let me know. I'm taking attendance. So in today class, I hope I find, yes, Jaya, tell me.
Do we need to remember what all the upgrades happened in each version?
These are the versions. So we can say Xnadu upgrade, Washington upgrade, Banker upgrade. Okay. So for
That's
example,
it. No?
that's it. So for example, my previous version is Banker. Okay. We recently upgraded from Banker to Washington. Got it? Like that. Like that we will
Okay.
upgrade. Yes. In today class, like most of them are absent. I don't know why. Yeah, team. So don't absent for the classes until unless if you have any emergency or severe health issues. Okay. Don't absent. If you are absenting in the classes in midway, you may not understand what we are discussing in the next class. Okay. Please try to avoid absenting the classes. Any queries, let me know. Otherwise, we can drop off. Okay. And like I have received